Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix missing texture in GMod or Garry's mod. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So missing textures in Garry's mode or Gmod can be caused by various reasons, but it is usually related to the games not being able to find or load the required texture for certain content of or mods. Here are some steps you can take to fix missing textures in Gmod. So first, validate game files. So to do that, these are the steps. First, just go ahead and follow these steps, okay? Open your Steam library and right-click on Garry's mode. Select Properties from the text menu. Go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then check your game files and download any missing or corrupted files. After that, check for missing add-ons. So I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, but if you're using custom add-ons or mods, some of them might be missing required textures. Check the add-ons you have installed and ensure that they are up to date and compatible with your current version of Gmod. Now, reinstall problematic add-ons. If you identify specific add-ons causing missing textures, try uninstalling and reinstalling them. Sometimes, add-ons might not install correctly, leading to missing content. Clear download cache. So to do that, these are the steps. Again, follow these steps, okay? First, open Steam and go to Settings. In the Downloads tab, click on Clear Download Cache. Then restart Steam and try launching Gmod again. So, now use Texture Fix Addons. There are community-made Texture Fix add-ons available on the Steam Workshop that can help resolve missing texture issues. Search for Texture Fix add-ons for Gmod and subscribe to them. Next, ensure proper mounting. If you are playing on a Gmod server with custom content, make sure that you have correctly mounted all the required games, that the server relies on the for textures. You can do this in the Gmod main menu. Under Options, then go to Other and Enable All. Now, update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause issues with textures in-game. Now, lower graphics settings. If your hardware is struggling to load all the textures, try lowering the graphics settings in Gmod to reduce the strain on your system. And lastly, check for texture clashes. Occasionally, two add-ons might use the same file name for different textures, causing a conflict. Look for any potential texture clashes between add-ons and try disabling one to see if it resolves the issue. Remember that Garry's Mod is a community-driven game with a vast amount of user-generated content, so it is essential to maintain your add-ons and mods properly and ensure they are compatible with each other and the current version of Gmod. If the problem persists, consider seeking help from Gmod community forums or Steam Workshop discussions, where experienced player and creators can assist you further. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!